morning children. Elga 7 Unit 4 Day 6. Today I will take a practice dictation of some words we have learned to read in our phonics class. Dear students, open your notebook and get ready for the dictation. First one, Q. First word is Q. Second one is cruise. Second one is cruise. Third word is clue. Third word is clue. Fourth one is spew. Fourth one is spew. Fifth one is value. Fifth word is value. Sixth word is shoot. Sixth word is shoot. Seventh one is new. Seventh one is new. Eighth one is brew. Eighth one is brew. And the last word is juicy. And the last word is juicy. Okay, dear children, check your answers. See the screen and check your answers. Dear children, the next part is whole words. Dear children, open your SR book 7. Take SR 7 and read the story, The Two Brothers. When you're reading the story, you have to find out these words and circle. The word is began, lasted and never. Okay, open your SR book. Take SR 7. Read the story, The Two Brothers. While you are reading, keep your finger and read the text with a pencil in your hand. And wherever these words will come, began, lasted, never, these words are come, you have to circle those words. Okay, dear students, next part is reading and listening comprehension. Dear children, use these slides to recap beginning, middle and end parts of a story. Okay, dear children, follow this instruction and to get the practice sequencing the events of a given story. Okay, dear children, see, this is a sequence, the events of a story. Read the story and find out the sequence. What are the sequence in the middle? First one is beginning and then middle, then end. Okay, find out the events and write. First you have to mark what are the events are in the middle, in the beginning. B1, B2. B1 means beginning, first point. B2 means beginning, second point. Then M1 is a middle, first point. M2 is middle, second point. Then E1 is a end, first point. E2 is a second point. You have to mark like this. Then you have to draw this table. Then you write the beginning event in the beginning side, middle event in the middle side, and end events right in the end side. Draw this table in your notebook and write. Then take, dear children, open worksheet 8. In worksheet 8, they have given the passage. Read the sentences given below and sequence them as beginning, middle and end in your notebook. Okay, here 6 events are given in the worksheet. You have to find out which events in beginning, middle, end. You have to find out those events and write the events in the beginning, middle, end. Write the events in the table. Okay, dear children, the next part is grammar. Today I'll introduce the preposition during. Okay. See the screen, children. Read aloud this sentence. I will be busy during lunchtime. Maya was coughing a lot during the match. When will I be busy? During lunchtime. When was Maya coughing? During the match. Okay, what is the meaning for during? Is used to show when something happens over a period of time. Okay, in our last class we saw on, in, at, of, into. We learned many preposition, but today we'll learn only one, that is during. What is during? During shows what? When something happens over a period of time. Example, Maya was coughing during the match. Take worksheet 9. Dear children, read the passage given below and circle all the prepositions. Here given a small passage. Read the passage carefully and circle all the prepositions. What are the preposition? In, on, at, during, then what? Of, into. Okay, you have to circle all these prepositions. Then question 2, choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. Read the passage carefully and find out the answer from the box and write. And next one is writing and speaking expression. Dear students, open your notebook. Write any 2 sentences on a fresh page. When you write a sentence, listen the instruction carefully. When you write a sentence within the limit of lines. Write sentence in neat, clear and legible handwriting. Write letters with good formation. Okay, this step is called publishing, and it is important to make it easier and clear for the reader to read without any pencil marks or changed sentences. Dear children, while you writing, you should pay attention to writing neatly in legible and clear handwriting. The letter should be within the correct limits of the single line. The formation of the letters should be good. Dear children, today's homework is complete worksheet 8 and 9. Thank you, children.